You screamed at them, you argued with them, and you were just generally rude. Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Mr. Levine, before we get started, a couple things. First, I want to just state to you for the record that my staff is an extension of me in this court. And when you're talking to them, it's like you're talking to me. In the past, you've submitted multiple orders and which the front of the court has objected to. We do note that just approximately half an hour ago, we did get an approval from the front of the court. However, when my staff was attempting to explain the issues, that they were front of the court issues, you you screamed at them, you argued with them, and you were just generally rude with my staff. And I just want you to know, if you want to practice in my court in the future, you will be civil and polite with them, or you won't be appearing in this courtroom.
Well, in response, Your Honor, I object to everything that was said.
Well, I don't need a response, sir. I told you our part. I don't need a
record.
response. I've heard, my staff has heard the conversations and they've been related to me. I'm just putting you on notice at this point. So we have had front of the court approval. So if you're ready and if you're able to take proofs, we can do that today. And are you prepared to do that?
Yeah, we're more than prepared, Your Honor. And at the end of that, I would like, for the record, for the transcript, to clarify comments on my behalf. Whether anyone accepts them is a completely different story, but I maintain the truth. And if that comes at the expense of how others perceive me, so be it. But I cannot just sit here and accept things that are completely against what actually happened. And it's not to undermine you personally or any of the staff, but the truth is the truth at every jurisdiction, including this one, with all due respect.
Well, yeah, that could be your position, but I will tell you that I've had other staff confirm to me what was said. So you can say anything you want. I'm just putting you on notice. That's all. So
I understand.
Ms. Miller, we're going to take some testimony from you. So if you would raise your right hand, we'll have you sworn in, then we'll proceed.
Please raise your right hand. Okay. Ma'am, do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you are about to give shall be the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Levine.
Thank you, Your Honor. So Alexis, on 11/22 of 22, did you file a complaint for divorce?
Yes, I did.
All right. And in it, did you allege that there was a breakdown in the marital relationship to the extent that the objects of matrimony have been destroyed and there remains no reasonable likelihood that the marriage can be preserved?
Yes.
And did it apply both then and now?
Yes.
Okay. And children were born during the course of the marriage, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And you addressed matters of custody, child custody, legal, physical, as well as child support within the body of a CJOD that you consent to, correct?
Yes.
Okay. At the time, going back to the time that you filed the divorce, were you a resident of the county of Calhoun for at least 10 days and a resident of the state of Michigan for at least 180 days?
Yes.
Okay. And you were not asking for spousal support at this time, correct?
Right.
All right. And you understand that the effect of that is that you're barred from coming back at a subsequent time and asking for the same, correct?
Yes.
All right. And are you satisfied with the representation?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor. We believe you satisfied the proofs.
Thank you. Mr. Wright, just to confirm, you are not disputing anything. You're not contesting anything in this matter. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. Court is satisfied that the testimony does establish the statutory basis. There has been a showing there's been a breakdown of the marital relationship. The court will enter the judgment in this matter in the UCSO when the court has received that, and that will conclude your case. Best of luck to both of you. I hope everything works out for you, and you have a wonderful day. Do we have yet the judgment, or is it
No, not yet. Just the approval. We still need to get them, but as soon as we get.
Okay, yeah, we still need the judgment in the UCSO. We do note that they are sent to the front of the court, but we don't have those at this particular point. I don't know if they're at the clerk's office or where they might be, but I'm just mentioning that in case they haven't been sent to us. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. You're free to go. Have a good day.